Hey, what's going on, guys? I just got this ladder's little helper in the mail a couple days ago. I haven't had a chance to try it out yet, but I'm getting ready to here pretty soon. Just wanted to give you a quick look at it so you can see what it comes with and let you know why I got it. Of course, it's to hook onto gutters, right? So, I've had so many times I put my ladder up against my gutters and pull it down and they're like dented or scratched or something like that. So I saw this and thought it was a cool idea, a good solution to possibly prevent that. So looking up close here, you can see it has this nice, I don't know if it's rubber or kind of vinyl cushion on it. I'm not sure exactly, but it is really soft. And I think it feels like it will do a good job at protecting my gutters and also keeping my ladder from shifting side to side. You can see on the inside there too, it has the same grip. So when it's hooked onto the gutter, in theory, how I'm thinking about it is that it gives it enough friction so it will hold, or I guess help to hold your ladder in place so you're not sliding all over the place. So I'm hoping it'll feel a little bit more secure while also, again, protecting my gutters. The only thing, you see it has this slot down here. So that, of course, is so you can put like a stick or something in there and raise it up high to actually hook it onto your gutter prior to resting your ladder against the gutters. But the plastic feels pretty sturdy on it. I'm very optimistic that it'll do a good job. So I'll do another follow-up video actually using it pretty soon. So I guess you can check that out. But hopefully that helps you understand what it's for and know what you'll be getting.